Yo, so I'm really impressed with this. It doesn't look the dearest. I got it from a pet food shop, and it is holding. The paint on this gas bottle burner that I've made, I made it last week. It's really up to temperature now. It's really quite hot. It's reading about 2,500 degrees, and the stove paint seems to be working. Brilliant. I'm impressed. Like I said, I don't get paid, I don't get sponsored. Click and subscribe. We talk about everything and anything. We make toys, gas burners. I'm going to do a barbecue. I'm going to do, I'm thinking of a pizza oven, a potato oven. I've got loads of ideas, and a Negan bat that's coming, and it's just drying there. So click and subscribe, and I'll catch you next one.